Hello guys, welcome to platform of Gyan Godavari. Very good morning to all of you. I will like to welcome you into my lecture and I will like to give some limelight on coral reef. Why I am coming with this topic? Okay, last day, day before today, the scientist Beeman discovered a very great discovery. What is that? That is he discovered a coral reef, okay, taller than Eiffel Tower, okay. What is the discovery? First I will like to tell you that okay, this is the discovery that is done after 100 years. It is a very long span. This discovery is done after 100 years. A new form of coral was found just besides the barrier reef. Barrier reef, where it is found, I will show you on the map later, but first we know what is the discovery. Okay, besides the barrier reef, there is the coral reef found which is much taller than Eiffel Tower, which is found in Australia. Not Eiffel Tower found in Australia, Eiffel Tower found in Paris, but the coral reef which is found is got in Australia besides the coral bleach. Okay, now come to the next point. It is the blade like structure and it is 1.5 kilometer wide. Now the question is important, what is coral? Okay, it is a very favorite topic of UPSC. Lots of time they will ask directly question about coral bleaching, how coral bleaching is done, what are the environment facts which affects the coral's life. Okay, corals are important because they only cover the 1% area of marine ecosystem and still they support the 25% of marine species life. Okay, now start from the beginning. What is coral? Okay, let's come to the definition. Coral reef is underwater ecosystem. Okay, sorry, now okay guys, coral reef is underwater ecosystem characterized by reef building corals. Okay, corals were formed in a colonized form. There are lots of coral were get together and made a skeleton, then island were formed like Lakshadweep. We can take the example of Lakshadweep. In the case of India, that island is also made by corals. Minicoy island of Lakshadweep. Okay, that is the example. Now come to the next. What are corals? Corals are symbiotic. Corals have symbiotic relationship with algae. What corals didn't have any coral, they are found into what? A warm, shallow, clear, sunny, agitated water. Okay, warm, shallow, clear, sunny, agitated water. Now what they can ask you question from here is it is found besides the cold current or not. Okay, now come to the point. Coral first appeared in 485 million years ago. Okay, this is quite interesting. Now this discovery is made after 120 years. Okay, Beeman's called this Beeman, the scientist which discovered this, called this a very great discovery. Very fresh ecosystem is there. The fisheries were found. Every marine environment is quite awesome there, and the most important thing, that is a detached reef system. Okay, now come to the point. What is importance of this? They are only less than 0.1%. Okay, on the whole earth, what they occupying is 0.1% of the world's ocean area, and yet they provide the home of at least 25% of marine ecosystem. Now corals plays very important role, and economic point of view we can see that it is the market of 30 to 375 billion US dollar, 9.9 trillion. This is a huge market. Okay, huge market. The whole marine system, the at least 25% of marine system is directly dependent on corals. Now come to the next slide. Now you got that what is coral? See from the figure, this is the structure of coral. You can copy these images and slides in the given description. Please like, subscribe and share to our platform. Okay guys, now this is the structure. Okay, this is the structure. You can see this. on the board. What happened is the corals were generated and they are consume algae. Okay, they consume they definitely don't have any personal color. They don't have colors. They form the colors according to the algae they consume. Algae, corals, both are connected with a symbiotic relationship, endosymbiotic relationship. Okay, here sometimes called the rainforest of the sea. Okay, these are the introduction about the corals. Corals are plays very important role in marine life. Okay, now that's why this news is important came to, they can directly ask you about the coral reef. What is coral reef? Now news is what the coral reef taller than Eiffel Tower found in Australia. Okay, it was the first detached reef of that size to be discovered in over 120 years. Okay, now you can see the span, the time span is quite big. Okay, now this is a very great discovery. What Beeman said is detached reef didn't display any evidence of damage. Okay, now in 2060 the coral bleaching is a very hot topic. Okay, the corals were bleached by what is the threat on that? The threats are actually what I will show you. Threats are what? Nitrogen and phosphorus rising. From where they rise? Okay, now we can see that, suppose that this is India, not suppose that this is really India. Okay, this is India. Now the rivers were flowing from continent to the ocean. Rivers were flowing from continent to the ocean. What they carried between them? Now the farmers and in agriculture area use pesticides. Okay, pesticides, urea, they contains heavy amount of nitrogen and phosphorus. Due to runoff they come to the sea and affect to the coral system. Now next one is what? Temperature. Rise of sea temperature is also a threat to the corals. Okay, next what? Ocean acidification. Ocean acidification. The contamination of ocean water and rising into the pH value. Okay, that is ocean acidification. Overfishing, blast fishing, cyanide fishing are the example of overfishing. These things are hugely affect the coral polyps. Now sunscreen which are used by the peoples. Now this is you guys were thinking about how the sunscreen will affect the marine ecosystem. Now what happened is like guys, you can see that on the beach the peoples were lay down by using sunscreen and they go to bath into the sea. Now what happened is the sunscreen from their body came into the water and form a layer on the ocean that disconnects the connection of that disconnects the connection of oxygen. Okay, BOD, that is biological oxygen demand is going less and the marine ecosystem were in very danger. Okay, now what? Sir, look at this. What is the discovery? First, one more time we see Beeman, which is the scientist which did the discovery in how many years? 120 years. Okay. What is the structure of this skeleton? It is reef is nearly 500 meter and 1.5 kilometer wide. Okay. Now, what important thing is, what is Great Barrier Reef? Okay, Great Barrier Reef runs about 2300 kilometer down Australia northeast coast. Okay, now we can see into the images where the corals were found. Now you can see this image. Okay, this is Australia here and here. Guys, look at this. This is Australia. Okay, Great Barrier Reef found somewhere here and the discovery were made here. Okay, this is just a detached structure, so this is important and contain a very fresh ecosystem. Okay, now we will come to the point is, what is coral bleaching? This is very favorite topic of UPSC. It is asked so many times. What is coral bleaching? Coral bleaching what? Due to the rise in the temperature of ocean water. Okay, now rise in the temperature of ocean water. Now the water got turns into warm. What then happen is coral will expel the algae living in their tissues, causing the coral bleaching. Now what happen is Now you can see the structure. The algae is consumed by this structure. Now they contain the color what the algae have. Okay, algae have green color, then it appears in green. Algae had red color, then it appears in green. There are several different type of algae which are found into them. Now what happens is when the ocean temperature, this is ocean, when the ocean temperature is rise, for what I give you the example why the ocean temperature will rise. What are the threats into that? Threats are what? Ocean acidification, overfishing, nitrogen, phosphorus, and so many other, ocean contamination, environmental cause. That is reason for rising the temperature of ocean. When the temperature of ocean is rise, they expel algae out of them and they become bleached. They are discolored. Okay, not they die permanently, but it is a very harsh situation for development of corals. Okay, and if corals were not developed properly, then marine ecosystem would came into danger. Now come from the starting, I will summarize this topic. What are corals? Corals are the marine ecosystem which are found into the Anthozoa in animals, which is found in the class of Anthozoa in animals. Now where they found? They found in the warm, shallow, clear, sunny, agitated water. Okay, where they discovered first time before 485 million years ago. Now what is the importance of coral? They contain the world ocean area is only 0.1% and supports the 25% of the marine species. Okay, they contains the 25% of marine species. Now economic point of view, okay, economic point of view, how they are important? They are the market about 30 to 375 billion US dollar market, 9.9 trillion dollar market. Okay, now they are very sensitive to water system, where water condition, like when the water temperature is rise, they are not good for coral polyps. Okay, now come to the next slide. I will summarize what are the threat to them. What are the threat? Nitrogen, rising the content of nitrogen and phosphorus. One concept is what happen here is the surface runoff which are coming from the continents mixed into the water, they increase the nitrogen and phosphorus content into the water. What? And then temperature, ocean acidification, overfishing, sunscreen. I told you how sunscreens will affect that. Okay, what is discovery? Okay, what is important? This discovery done yesterday by scientist who? Beeman. He belongs to where? Australia. Okay, he belongs to Australia. Although the northern section of the Great Barrier Reef suffered from the bleaching in 2016. What happened in 2016? The Great Barrier Reef, the area of Great Barrier Reef start bleaching. Why? These are the reasons. Okay, sunscreens are the very important reason, because the Australia is full of beaches. The people will go onto the beach and use the sunscreen, go bath into the ocean. That is a very harmful for what? Coral. Okay, now what? Let's discuss about Great Barrier Reef. I show you on the map. Here is the Great Barrier Reef. It is very important. Why? It was World Heritage Site listed in 1981 by UNESCO. Okay, UNESCO declared this World Heritage Site in 1981. They can ask you directly into the examination. Okay, now come to the next slide and the last. What are coral bleaching? Coral bleaching are what? When the ocean temperature rise, algae what did? They excrete out the algae and they become colorless. This is called as the coral bleaching. Now the examples of coral island in India is Lakshadweep. So, guys, this is Lakshadweep. Sorry for this. This is Lakshadweep. I'll write this here. Lakshadweep Island. Okay, in Lakshadweep Island, Minicoy Island, Kalpeni Island, Kadmal Island and Kilton, etc. These islands were the examples of they found where Indian besides the Indian continent. Now this is the limelight on the topic. Okay, thank you guys for seeing this. Please like, subscribe, share, support. Your appreciation will make awesome videos and awesome content by me. Thanks a lot.